Flutter with Jana. Today we will discuss about how to automate images by using scripts. So let's discuss. Are you still adding images to the asset folder like this? Every time we add image or remove them, we have to come to the pubspec.yaml file and manually add them or remove them. So there is a script to add it and we'll run that script now. Yes, script is here, images. Oh, sorry, I forgot dot. So now these images got added here. If I go to the main.yaml file, I can add a new image. And I have to remember the exact name of the file here. Now if you can see, the new image got added. So this is still not complete. I'll show you. If you see here, we can extract this widget into another widget because height and width and fit box is similar. Only the image path is changing. So let me extract the widget. Sorry. Extract method, build image. So we'll pass a string image path, and I'll use this image path here. So now it makes sense. If I have to add images, I'll just keep on adding images. So I don't need to know the exact location. So what I will run, I'll run a better script now. So let's go to that script. Now what this script will does, it will create an asset image call. So we see here, and asset images is created, and now it is taken care by the class itself. We just have to remember the name. We don't have to know the exact path, just a name. So I'll come to this page again. We'll import asset images. Asset images dot detective here. I just need to pass the names. Cat, is anything wrong here? No. Sorry, assets images here. Assets images. This mix and 3. And if I run the example, if you see, I just need to know what is the name of the image, not an exact path, and nothing to worry. So this has been taken care by the automation. So I'll share these scripts in the description and chat and in the comments. If you like it, please do comment. Thank you. If we remove one of the images, if you see in your asset folder, we do have 5 images, and in asset image class, we do have 5 images. So I'll try to remove this AJPNG one. Let me remove those classes, close these classes. Now I'll delete this class. Okay, that's fine, and I'll rerun the script now. Now if I see updated 4 image, and let's go to the pubspec.yaml file. Now we do have 4 images here. AJ1 is removed. Now let me go to the class. Here also that AJ is removed. We do have only 4 images here. So if you like my video, please do subscribe, share and comment. If you have any concerns, please do let me know. Anyway, I have attached the scripts in the detail section. Thank you so much.